All right, in this video, we are going to just practice all the division just to make sure that you are comfortable with it before we go ahead and move on. So I'm going to let you go ahead and start and do the first one on your own. I have 8,425 divided by 3. Go ahead and try that one on your own. 8,425 divided by 3. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, and if you are still using this, that is a-okay. You may use this, and you may use this on your assessment as well. So if you're still using that, that's all right, keep it to the side so you can have it handy. So 3 times what is gonna give me 8? Well, the closest I can get without going over is 3 times 2, which is 6. So I'm gonna put my 6 there, and I'm gonna subtract. 8 take away 6 is 2, bringing down a 4. 3 times what equals 24? Well, 8 does, exactly. So far, this is working out really well. 0, all right, bring down the 2. Oops, well, now 3 times nothing is gonna get me 2. It's too big. So I'm gonna put that 0 there, and I'm gonna subtract that 0, and I'm gonna get a 2, and I'm gonna bring down my 5. Now, what I could have done was just scooted over and brought the 5 down immediately, but sometimes it's more comfortable to just do the steps anyways. You still get the same answer, so no worries. 3 times what gives me 25? Well, 3 times 8 gives me 24. I know that because I used that before. And I have a remainder of 1. 2,808, remainder 1. All right, let's have you try another one. 843 divided by 8. Go ahead and try that one on your own. All right, I have 8 times 1 actually will get me 8. So far this is starting out real nice. Subtract that 8, and I have 0. Bring down the 4. 8 times what gives me 4? Nothing. So I'm going to subtract that 0. 4, bring down the 3. 8 times what gets me 43, or as close as possible without going over? Well, 8 times 5 gives me 40. 43 take away 40 gives me 3, and I have 105, remainder 3. All right, let's give another one a go. 3,040 divided by 4. Go ahead and try that one on your own. All right, I have 4 goes into 3 how many times? Well, there's nothing times 4 that's going to give me that. So I'm just going to put a 0 here and scooch over. 4 times what gives me 30? All right, well, 8 times 4 gives me 32. That's too big. Okay, 7 times 4, that gives me 28. I'm going to put my 7 here. I'm going to put my 28 here. 30 take away 28 is going to give me 2. I'm going to bring down my 4. 4 times what gives me 24? Oh, well, 6 does. 0. Bring down a 0. All right. So, take a look there. I have 4 times what gives me 0? 0, 0, take away 0 gives me 0. There's nothing else. So this one turned out a little weird. It's kind of uncomfortable to end off with all those zeros. So I am going to go ahead and double check my work. 760 times 4. Now, this is always how you can check your work, taking this answer and multiplying. And if there's a remainder, just add that remainder. So 0 times 4 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 more is 30. It is 3,040, so we are correct. All right, let's go ahead and do one more. 7,096 divided by 9. It's my last one for you. All right. So 9 times nothing is going to get me 7. So 0. And I'm not even going to bother with that. I'm just going to scooch over. 9 times what gives me 70? All right. So let's think about this. Well, 9 times 10 is going to give me 90. And that's way too big. So let's take it down a couple notches. 9 times 8 is going to give me 72. It's a little bit too big. So let's go down to 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is going to give me 63. So we're going to put my 6 here. 63. 70 take away 63 is going to give me 7. Gonna bring down the 9. Now I have 79. Okay, well, I just went through my 9s and I saw that 9 times 6 gave me 63. 9 times 8 gave me 72. 9 times 9 is 81. So it looks like we're gonna go with 9 times 8. 79 take away 72 is gonna give me 7. Bring down the 6. And it looks like I'm going ahead and going with 9 times 8 again, which is 72. 76, take away 72 is 4. Nothing more to bring down. And I have 688, remainder 4. And while we're here, I'm going to show you what I meant with that checking when there's a remainder. So 688 times 9, 8 times 9 gives me 72. 8 times 9 gives me 72, plus another 1, plus another 7 gives me 9. And then I'm going to bring this, yes, 7 over here. 6 times 9 gives me 63, plus 7 more gives me 7. 7,092, well, that's 7,096. Like I said, add that remainder on, because those are your extras, and I get 7,096. I hope you are feeling solid as ever with your division. If you're not, still, please let me know, and we will work together.